Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix a Frigidaire gallery freeze blink HI high temperature alarm and cooling reset. So in the fix one you can check the freeze door. Make sure the freeze door is fully closed. Check if sometimes inside are blocking the door. Then inspect the door gasket, the rubber seal for dirt or damage, and then clean it if needed. Then wait after a power outage. If there was a recent power cut, the freezer may still be cooling. Then wait for 4 to 6 hours to see if the temperature goes back to normal. Then the blinking high should stop once it cool down. Then in fix 3 you can adjust the temperature setting. So press the freeze temperature button on the controller panel. Then set the freezer to 0 Fahrenheit means minus 18 degrees Celsius. Then give it several hours to the stabilize. Then you can don't overload the freezer. In the fix 4 you can remove some items if the freezer is packed to full. Make sure air vents inside are not blocked. Then leave space for proper airflow. Then clean the condenser coil. Unplug the refrigerator and then locate the condenser coil. Then use a vacuum or brush to clean dust and drips. And then plug it back in and check if the error clears. And in fix 3 you can reset the refrigerator. Unplug the fridge from the power outlet. Wait 5 minutes, plug it back in and then check if HI means disappear. So here is how you can easily fix this problem. Goodbye.